For this ice cream baklava, I start by melting the vegan butter in the microwave. I'm going to use kadaif. Kadaif is a variation of phyllo dough. You can find it in the frozen section in Middle Eastern grocery stores. I separate the kadaif vermicellis and mix them with the butter. In Turkey, kadaif is often used for the making of baklavas and other sweet delicacies. I incorporate the icing sugar. I roughly chop a handful of pistachios. I drop some kadaif in each ring in order to form some disc of about 1.5 centimeters high. I add some chopped pistachios and trap them in the vermicelli dough. If you don't have small rings, you can of course make this dessert in some other molds. Before baking, I sprinkle some icing sugar on top. The small discs of kadaif will bake for 6 to 8 minutes at 175 Celsius degrees or 350 Fahrenheit degrees. I want them golden and very crispy. I remove the rings and let the small discs cool down. The recipe for pistachio ice cream can be found in my other video. You will find the link in the comments. With the same ring, I shape some pistachio ice cream discs. I quickly bring them back to the freezer because it's very hot here and the ice cream is starting to melt. Everything is ready. I just have to assemble my small ice cream baklavas. I take the ice cream out of the freezer and place it in a sandwich between two kadaif discs. I roll the small baklavas in chopped pistachios. I highly recommend this dessert. The kadaif cookie is very crisp and light. The ice cream has an amazing texture and a very pure pistachio taste. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week.